Dr. Mayum and I'm an orthodontist working as a private practitioner in Gujranwala. And I'm a patient of Aligno company too. I'm an orthodontist, so I was a bit concerned about my smile and aesthetics, and I didn't want the metallic braces because they're too obvious. I met Dr. Mariam Tahe. She is a very competent doctor. I discussed my problem with her and she recommended me aligners. I started this journey on like 17th December and now I'm on my 12th aligner and the treatment has been very smooth. Since I'm an orthodontist, I didn't want aligners, but it was so smooth. I rejected 2 plans, but they made me so comfortable that they were like, whenever you are satisfied, we'll be good with it. So I recommend Aligno company and the aligners. Thank you so much.